Alright, today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the little Syma S109G APACHE coaxial RC helicopter unit. These are really nice little units, really nicely detailed, look great flying, have built-in LED lights, very nifty. Great fun just for flying inside and around the lounge and having a good laugh. Also good for the kids, let them have their first RC helicopter experience with something robust, durable, yet fun to fly. Anyway, we'll pop the box open and we'll see what we get. Alrighty, firstly, very well packaged, good sturdy box, everything's protected nicely inside. Okay, here we go. One awesome little Apache attack helicopter, nicely packaged. Lovely. As you can see, these are really nicely detailed little machine. Looks great. Battery charge plug in the side, LED lights. You can change the battery if you need to. After a lot of flying, you might have to get a fresh one screw, pop in, out. Very nifty indeed. From my point of view, I'd sooner fly something that looks like the real thing than some sort of fluoro pod and boom, but anyway. Very neat little helicopter, absolutely fun as to fly. Just sit that back there for a second. Now, what else is in the box? We've got our little infrared remote control unit, all very nice. Throttle up, down, left, right, forward, back. All good fun. A couple of function buttons on the top. And then inside the box we've also got USB charge cable, and we've got a set of AA batteries, 6 of them for the remote. Alright, so what we'll do, I'll get this all hooked up, charged up, and get it all out, and we'll give it a quick fly around. But anyway, here we go. Very nifty little coaxial scale Apache attack helicopter. Fly missions around the lounge and have good fun with. Great fun little machine. These are currently on sale, $25 from Banggood. You can't go wrong with these for $25. Syma is a really reputable brand, easily makes the best coaxial helicopter range on the market, been in business a long time. Great stuff, and you can get spare parts with these as well. So to enhance your longevity of flying and having fun, great little machine all around. Alright, we'll get it charged up and we'll get it flying. Should have also mentioned, comes with a nice little instruction booklet, all the basics on how to put the batteries in, how to charge it up, basics on flight, and then available spare parts listing on the back that you can order through online suppliers. Alright, very cool indeed.